and welcome to this week's edition of Bollywood Weekend, your one-stop to catch up on all the news and scoop from the world of showbiz, minus any facade and minus its makeup. I'm Sabah Kazi and those are the big stories lined up for you today. On Bollywood Weekends this week, Deepika Padukone does well when we pit exes and current flames.
Again, the films are very different. The kind of characters that Ranveer and me play in Tamasha is very different from what Ranveer and me are playing in Bajirao Mastani. Characters are different, the films are different, and I think the chemistry that you will see in both the films are also very, very different from each other.
But the lady practically ducks when it's about her nemesis.
I think we should stick to relevant questions.
Shahid, Alia and a whole lot of gibberish.
I'll teach you a new one. Okay, try this new one.
Yeah.
Okay? Kuch oont ucha, kuch peet uchi, kuch uchi oont ki poonch. Try.
Kuch ooch uta.
From one Dilwale to another, 20 years later, the magic still continues. It's showbiz minus its makeup. Deepika Padukone is a seasoned actress. She knows her way around the press, media, film promotions, brand endorsements, on camera, off it, and the works. When you trick her with a question and pit her against her nemesis or talk about her ex-lovers, Deepika makes sure she has an answer that'll keep you wondering. Check this story.
Can't get enough of Deepika Padukone, you say? Well, this week was just what you'd have wanted. Back-to-back appearances and the lady exemplifying just why she's hailed as the diva that she is. And kickstarting the DP weekend was the gorgeous Padukone.
Today we launch Deewani Mastani, inspired by Mughal-e-Azam in a sense. We've tried to recreate the Aina Mahal.
And as the day progressed, the lady made an effortless transition from the ethereal to a royal crimson.
From the film's marketing point of view, I think they were very interesting activities for me as an actor.
Later taking that regal streak further to the land where it's only too becoming. From throwing in some of that stardust onto the Jaipur polo grounds,
to be part of a polo match,
to having the walls of the city palace resonating with the Mastani magic.
And then of course to meet with royalty and to sort of dine with them.
And needless to say, her fashion choices bowling us over each time. But the lady's still at her reluctant fashionista game.
I personally believe it's very boring. I always believe that my style has always been a little borderline boring.
But aren't you the one launching your own fashion line, Deepika?
Yes, we have launched this new clothing line. But I wanted to also to sort of people to experience how Deepika dresses.
Which is interesting, because Kangana has her own clothing line. Alia has one too. We though in this edition are only concerned about bête noirs.
It's been happening for years and I think it's a good thing because I think each one of us has a very, very different and distinct style and one different from the other.
In spite of you not talking to the media as much, you have been in news because vis-a-vis your contemporary Kangana. She's said so much, but you've been very, very dignified with your silence.
I think we should stick to relevant questions.
Ah, the good old evasive Miss Padukone. But no, we aren't done yet. We have more of those wallies.
The big Diwali clash and also about the equation with Shah Rukh. I mean, that's really random, but something that's coming about and you've started your career working next to him.
I really believe that they're two completely different filmmakers coming out with two completely different kinds of films. And yeah, you know, I think there's enough space for everyone.
And now comes our favorite part, where we get to pitch DP's men.
Working with Ranveer and Ranveer, the experience, I know it's like, obviously, that's another question.
Comparison.
Done to that, yeah.
Yeah, I think sometimes we need to start appreciating things for the way they are, not necessarily keep comparing. Yes, Ranveer and me are in one film, and that one film is very different from the film that Ranveer and me are doing. And you have to experience them for what it is.
Okay, lest we overdo the diabolic, We admit Deepika has in fact mastered the art of keeping the personal guarded, ensuring however that it isn't any less engaging.
I think Sonam dresses really well. I think Kalki has a very, very distinct sense of style. Male actors, I think Shah Rukh dresses really well. Ranbir Kapoor again, I think is someone who has a very, very interesting personal style.
We get why the Queen finds no mention on your fashion-o-meter, Deepika, but Ranbir toppling your bow over? Ouch.